Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Red Chute, local and long distance movers near me. So, are you planning to move across borders, be it state or country? One thing that always gets on the nerves of the owners is the wear and tear that your goods have to bear throughout the process. But with 3 Movers, you don't need to worry about your belongings, like our top quality packing material, and our experienced team will make sure to shift all your belongings without any damage. Even if any of your belongings get damaged by any chance, our insurance team will make sure to provide you with the rightful claim. Don't worry, you don't need to pay anything extra to be eligible for the insurance. Whenever you provide us with the opportunity to serve you, all of your belongings become automatically eligible for the insurance. Clothes, books, small furniture, etc. can easily be shiftable with your car. But what about the fridge or cupboard? Moving these belongings will require a professional, and when we're talking about shifting, who will know it better than 3 Movers? Our experienced movers have all the knowledge required for the permits and legal formalities required during the transit. Additionally, when we are moving locally, your apartment is shifted within the same day, which saves you a lot of time and also makes the process hassle-free and economical. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Red Chute moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.